In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center an image in Webflow, whether you're a seasoned designer or a beginner. Starting out, this quick guide will help you enhance your web design skills by mastering image alignment. Let's get started. First, you need to log into Webflow. This part is simple yet crucial, as accessing your account is the gateway to all your creative projects. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the Webflow dashboard. The dashboard is your main hub where all your projects are listed. It's designed to be intuitive, giving you a snapshot of your work and making it easy to jump into the project you want to edit. Next, locate the specific project you want to work on. With a potentially long list of projects, using the search function or simply scrolling through until you find the right one is your best bet. Once you've found it, click to open it, and you'll be taken into the design workspace, where the real magic happens. Within the project, take a look at the design tools available to you. You'll want to focus on adding an image if it's not already integrated into your design. Look for the plus sign, often found within the Elements panel. From here, select Image to add your chosen image to the canvas. On the right side of your screen, you'll notice the Element settings. This panel is key because it holds all the information and options you need to adjust your image effectively. One of the main things to focus on here is spacing. Spacing controls in Webflow allow you to adjust padding and margins, which are essential for positioning elements precisely where you want them. To center your image correctly, you'll need to adjust these numbers. You might want to set the left and right margins to Auto. This is a particularly useful feature in web design as it tells the browser to automatically determine the margin based on the available space, thus centering your image in the viewport. Remember, every little adjustment counts. Spend a few moments tweaking the numbers and watching how your image responds in real time on the canvas. This practice not only ensures precise alignment, but also helps refine your eye for balanced design within a layout. And there you have it, a perfectly centered image on your Webflow page. It's a simple task, yet centering images is a fundamental skill that enhances the visual appeal and user engagement on your website. The more you practice, the more you'll get a feel for the design flexibility that Webflow offers, leaving you more equipped to tackle creative challenges with ease. So, go ahead and give it a try. Experiment with different images and layouts. You'll be amazed at how these small adjustments can make a significant impact on your site's overall aesthetic. Until next time, happy designing!